Hey guys, this is Ryan with Drive Shafts Incorporated in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I wanted to make a quick video and show you how we fixed a drive shaft on a 2001 Z71. This is a 5-inch aluminum drive shaft. Back here you can see that's got a U-joint that had a big time failure in it. It dried up and it of course broke and came out. So he had an aluminum shaft in it before, and then we built a steel one-piece shaft in order to save him some money. When we do it this way, the aluminum shaft, like if you wanted an aluminum shaft, it would be $585 and free shipping, so $585 free shipping. But we can do the steel one-piece shaft, which is just as strong, for $385 and free shipping. There's a couple of different applications too, which we can, if you want to call up here, we can talk to you and kind of ask you some questions. But most of the time on these Z71 drive shafts, from the center of the front U-joint to the center of the rear U-joint is going to be about 68 to 68 and a quarter. And then another thing you can check, you can see this U-joint back here has little snap rings on these caps, little C-clips that clip onto the cap. So that's another thing that you can kind of look for to see if this is the particular kind that you have. And like I said, there's other series of U-joints. This one is the most common, but we can, you know, kind of talk you through that. If you think you might have something that's close, you know, then we can of course tell you what to look for and then, you know, get you fixed up. So you can call us toll free 1-800-344-5141, or you can check us out online at driveshaftsofTulsa.com.